List of top information security certifications in 2023. Best IT security certifications in 2023. Cybercrimes are growing rapidly every day. Many companies face these attacks regularly. So, the need for cyber awareness and cybersecurity professionals is growing as well. It is very harmful if any important company data is lost.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
If the loss of data is large, then it can result in the failure of the company. It becomes crucial for companies to have a strong cybersecurity environment and skilled cybersecurity professionals to work toward data loss prevention. This increases the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals who can defend and protect organizations against data breaches and cyber threats. So, if you have any of the information security certifications, then you have better job options to choose from. In other words, cybersecurity skills are needed in many companies to defend against harmful attacks. With these information security certifications, you get to learn the skills needed to protect the company's data. In conclusion, you also defeat hackers and keep the company protected and safe all the time. Also, you are responsible for monitoring the system constantly. In addition, this certification proves your dedication and skills in the cybersecurity field. If you wish to expand your career to the next level, you can take up any of the information security certifications. It helps you open up better paths and higher salaries. Update list of best information security certifications. Certified Ethical Hacker, CISA. It is an intermediate level of certification. It is issued by the EC Council. Also, it is one of the most popular information security certifications for anyone who wants to expand their career in ethical hacking. It proves your skills in scanning networks, penetration testing, footprinting, Trojans, hacking web services, system hacking, cryptography, and so on. In addition, you are also in charge of locating the weaknesses and loopholes present in the system to avoid any more attacks. You also have to use the same tools and methods as the hackers to locate the weakness more easily. Also, you can use it to predict the next move of the hackers and then protect the company against it. In addition, you have to think like a hacker. There are some job positions that you can choose from. 1. Auditor. 2. Penetration tester. 3. Ethical hacker. You have to complete the requirements of the certification. Firstly, you have to work for 2 years in information technology to get the experience that we needed. Secondly, you must have the Security Plus certification beforehand. You have to answer around 125 questions in a time limit of 4 hours. It mainly tests your hands-on skills. So, it is important to practice and collect more experience. CompTIA Security Plus certification. It is one of the most famous information security certifications. You can choose CompTIA Security Plus certification to move your career towards the correct path. Also, you can improve your career level further after getting the skills and knowledge needed for this field. It proves your skills in security-related processes or principles. It is one of the beginner-level information security certifications that are beneficial for both newcomers and professionals. You must have 2 years of experience working in network security. It also proves one's knowledge of risk management, cryptography, security systems, identity management, and so on. You have to clear a single exam that costs around $339. You also get to have knowledge related to all the new methods and processes by maintaining the certification every 3 years. So, you have to solve around 90 questions within 90 minutes. You must get 750 points out of 100 to clear the exam. Before you take the exam, you must solve practice questions to understand the topics clearly. Some of the job roles best for this certification are: 1. CompTIA Trainer. 2. Ethical Hacking. Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. CISSP is another one of the important information systems certifications. A Certified Information Systems Security Professional is a higher level of certification that is best suited for anyone wishing to grow their career in information security. It is also recognized everywhere in the world. It is a famous certification taken up by many people dedicated to their careers in this field. Also, it proves your skills to design, operate, perform, handle, and manage security software. This is one of the best options among the information system certifications for people wishing to gain more knowledge related to cybersecurity. Also, you must work to collect experience for 2 years in the 2 domains of CBK out of 8. The registration cost for the exam is around $699. You have to collect 40 CPEs every year to keep your certification active. It has a total of 250 questions. You have to solve the questions within 6 hours. It has a combination of innovative and multiple choice questions. You can get better job choices and more salary. The job options best for this certification are: 1. Chief Information Security Officer. 2. IT Security Engineer. 3. Security Systems Administrator. Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. It is one of the most important information security certifications. Also, it is well known in many companies all over the world. It helps to check your expertise in incident management, risk management, developing the program, building a program, etc. The Certified Information Security Manager certification expires after 3 years of clearing the exam. So, it must be maintained to keep it active. Information security training certifications are normally very beneficial for every applicant. This certification gives you merit above other candidates. Some job roles present are: 1. Privacy Risk Consultant. 2. Information Security Management. 3. Information System Security Officer. You have to follow the Code of Ethics after getting this certification. You need experience in this field for 5 years with full-time work. In addition, you have to complete the requirements first. You have to complete the exam in 4 hours. You can develop your career further with this certification. Information security certifications normally offer a higher salary and a stable job. Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA. This is one of the most highly recognized information security certifications and is the best option for anyone in the field. It proves your skills to audit, manage, perform, develop, maintain, and provide service management. The need for almost all information security certifications is growing in many IT companies. You have to clear 1 written exam to get this certification. You also have to collect a total of 120 CPEs every 3 years to keep your certification active. So, you can learn all the new skills and methods by retaking the test every 3 years. So, you have to collect $20 in CPEs every year. The cost of Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA, certification maintenance is around $45 for members and $85 for non-members. Some of the jobs you can pick from are: 1. IT Auditor. 2. Information Security Manager. 3. Security Officer. Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control, CRISC. This certification is included in the information security certifications that give you the opportunity to develop your career in risk management. You learn the steps needed to manage risks in a better way. So, this certification helps you handle risks. It gives you a clear knowledge of the risk management tools. You are responsible for making the company understand the risks of business. In addition, you must understand the tools and skills needed for this job role. You must make use of these skills and tools in your organization at the right time. So, it is most suitable for business analysts, risk managers, IT professionals, and project managers job roles. You have to complete a few of the requirements. You needed to work and get 3 years of experience in IS. It has a certain code of ethics that needs to be followed. Your knowledge and skills are tested in 4 different domains in this exam. You have to complete the exam in 4 hours. Also, you can join courses to get more knowledge. It improves your odds of clearing the exam. These online classes provide you with resources that are helpful for this exam. Job options to select from are: 1. Lead, Information Security. 2. Risk Managers. 3. Project Managers. 4. Control Professionals. Cisco Certified Network Association, CCNA. This certification is very popular among all other information security certifications. It proves your skills to configure, install, troubleshoot, and operate wired and wireless networks. You can use the WAN to create connections with phone sites. It is a good option for people wanting to get a better understanding of the basic concepts and terms. It is the first step towards expanding your career in this field. You can take some courses to improve your skills and knowledge of the basics. In addition, you can take your career to the next level. You have 2 options to select from. You can take both certification level exams together or separately. The questions present in the exams are fill in the blank, drag and drop, etc. You have to complete the combined exam within a time limit of 90 minutes. It costs around $325. A total of 200 to 125 questions are given. You must get 70% or more to clear the exam. However, the actual passing marks are not given since they change regularly. The job positions presented for you are: 1. Network Engineer. 2. CCNA Certification Trainer.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.